When working with clients, some of them may have never done a squat before and may be very uncomfortable with it. If you find that they're really not connecting with the proper form of a squat, there's some different things you can do to help them. One is by using a stability ball, and it's called a wall squat. So you're going to put the ball right here against the wall. Your client's going to put it right at their lower back, not too low down here and not way up at their shoulders, but right here, nice and comfortable in their low back. Their feet are going to come out a little bit so that they're actually leaning into the ball. Make sure that they're comfortable and that they're stable, they're not wobbling around. And then as they're comfortable, you're going to have them slowly come down and then back up. All their weight's going to be in their heels, not in their toes, so make sure that their heels stay down. They're not going over like this, but they're just dropping their hips to the floor. And as they get more comfortable, they can take it a little bit deeper until their legs are parallel to the ground. If you still find that that's a little bit hard for your client, another option you have is just a chair. Just have them have a seat and come right back up. That way this makes them feel safe and secure. A lot of times they're concerned about falling or dropping, but this is very easy, and then back up. So these are some options to do for clients that are having difficulty getting that proper form of a squat.